ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa has laid bare the reasons behind Robert Mugabe's dramatic fall from power in November 2017. Sanapinda mashoko kwanzi Muchangwa aiwa oita a mistake, patinoona kuti achizama kudefenda aiwa the regime panguva inoi, achitaura pamusoro pekufa kwakaita Robert Gabriel Mugabe uye achiexposa rimwe drama ragara ritoripo zvaro in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Zvoonekwa kunzi ava kuexposa mutungamiri wenyika anobva kusubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa munoenda mukudanirwa muchinzi Muchangwa's remarks dripping with revolutionary rhetoric expose the ruling party's intolerance for dynamic ambitions while simultaneously casting an uncomfortable spotlight on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's own controversial power consolidation efforts through the so-called Agenda 2030. Addressing the media on Thursday, Muchangwa lashed out at Mugabe's alleged dynastic ambitions, which he attributed as the reason for ousting Zimbabwe's long-serving leader, leaving no room for interpretation. Muchangwa described Mugabe's final years as a constitutional aberration where his house and household became a courthouse of intrigue against corruption of Zimbabwe. According to Muchangwa, his behavior triggered the November 2017 military coup that eventually restored Mnangagwa. His scathing indictment reached its crescendo when Muchangwa recalled Grace Mugabe's infamous declaration that her husband, Ghost, would continue to rule from the grave, a statement he framed as the ultimate betrayal of Zimbabwe's liberation ethos. Ironically, the very script Muchangwa decried appears to be unfolding under a new protagonist, the Agenda 2030, being advanced by Mnangagwa's inner circle. Agenda 2030, a campaign to extend Mnangagwa's grip on power beyond the two-term limit, is increasingly being viewed as a constitutional sleight of hand to extend presidential term limits. This uncomfortable symmetry has not been lost on critics who see Mnangagwa's maneuvers as potentially more sophisticated but equally self-serving as Mugabe's failed dynastic project. The ZANU-PF party insider says the maneuver mirrors Mugabe's failed succession scheme, not least because it would pave the way for Mnangagwa to establish his own political dynasty, potentially involving his family and close allies. This juxtaposition has ignited tensions within the ruling party. Ndo mashoko amuda panguva inatuna kuti mashoko otokwana Muchangwa oreza matension in the ruling party. Vanoonekwa kunzi vanotaura mashoko ekuti they removed Mugabe just because anga kuinstalla a dynasty. Panguva ine kunoonekwa kunzi there's another dynasty in the making. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko chipinda kuno section yedu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.